Hello and welcome back, ladies and gents. This is Chelsea, the Weave Doctor and Main Attractions. We now have before you our Ultra and Diva Install album. These are just some of the many photos that we have comprised in our mini Samsung 8 phone collection. A lot of people asked us what's the different types of weaves and frontal installs or full lace wigs that I installed. Currently we have 4 different options. We have the Diva, the Ultra, the Celebrity, and the Platinum. Today we're going over the Diva and the Ultra. The Diva and the Ultra installs, they are for the average woman who would like to save money yet look beautiful. The Diva install has the largest amount of braids and the most amount of gaps in between the cornrows and the actual wefts. As far as for the full lace, they receive the minimal hold option. The Ultra install has medium cornrows and medium spacing, and we include style and a basic minimal cut in all of our services. Also, some of the ladies, as you see before you, have added on custom color. They have accentuated their hairline even more by adding plucking, getting their hair placed in ponytails, and doing various styles and cuts with these different weaving options. Thank you so much, and we can be booked at mainattractionshair.com. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.